Welcome back to Charette Theory. Today, we're turning our gaze upward, literally. When we think about interior design, walls, furniture, and flooring usually take the spotlight, while ceilings often remain an afterthought. But in 2025, that's no longer the case. Ceilings are becoming a defining element of modern interiors, setting the tone for atmosphere, light, and style. From sculptural shapes to integrated lighting systems and innovative materials, the ceiling is being reimagined as a canvas for creativity. In this video, we'll explore the most important ceiling design trends you'll see throughout 2025 and how they're reshaping the way we think about interior space. Before we jump in, if you love exploring inspiring design ideas and architectural stories, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on what's coming next. Alright, let's get into it. This year, ceilings are moving far beyond flat, white surfaces. Modern homes are experimenting with bold geometric forms, layered levels, and sculptural elements. Coiffured ceilings are returning, but with a modern twist. Think slim, linear divisions instead of heavy, ornate molding. Curved profiles are also on the rise, softening transitions between ceiling and wall. These shapes do more than just add visual appeal, they help guide the eye and define zones within open-plan layouts. In 2025, ceilings aren't just functional, they are architectural features in their own right. Lighting continues to dominate design conversations, and ceilings are where the innovation really shows. Recessed strip lights, cove lighting, and concealed LED bands are being layered to create mood and depth. Instead of relying on a single chandelier or pendant, homeowners are embracing multi-level illumination that highlights ceiling details and adapts to different activities. Some of the most forward-looking designs integrate smart systems that adjust brightness and color temperature automatically, bringing flexibility and comfort into everyday life. In 2025, the ceiling is no longer just where you hang a light, it's the light itself. material choices for ceilings are expanding well beyond plaster and paint. Wood slats, bamboo panels, and textured stone are being introduced overhead to bring warmth and tactility into interiors. Natural materials not only enhance aesthetics, they also improve acoustics, making rooms feel calmer and more comfortable. Matte finishes in soft tones, like clay and limestone-inspired surfaces, are trending as well. These finishes reflect light subtly instead of glaringly, creating a soothing, grounded environment. Designers in 2025 are using ceilings as an extension of material palettes, seamlessly connecting them with walls and floors. While neutral tones remain popular, 2025 is seeing a rise in daring ceiling colors. Deep blues, earthy terracottas, and even bold black ceilings are appearing in living rooms, dining spaces, and bedrooms. A darker ceiling can make a large room feel more intimate, while a pop of color overhead turns an ordinary space into a memorable one. Metallic finishes, like brushed bronze or champagne gold, are also being used in small accents or entire ceiling panels, reflecting light and adding elegance. Ceilings are no longer just a blank surface, they're becoming statement-making elements. By the way, if you're enjoying this so far, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. We've got a lot more ideas coming your way. Now, back to the details. As homes become multifunctional spaces, serving as offices, entertainment zones, and living areas, acoustics have become more important. In 2025, ceiling design is addressing this challenge directly. Acoustic panels, fabric treatments, and innovative porous materials are being incorporated overhead to absorb sound and improve clarity. These solutions are often disguised with stylish designs, like slatted wood or patterned panels, so they serve both function and form. The result is a ceiling that not only looks beautiful but also improves comfort in daily living. are becoming smarter too. Integrated speakers, hidden projectors, and climate control systems are being built directly into ceiling structures. Smart lighting takes center stage, with adaptive systems that shift throughout the day to match natural circadian rhythms. In some futuristic designs, ceilings are incorporating interactive panels that can change color or display patterns with just a touch. In 2025, ceilings are more than architectural details, they're evolving into functional hubs of home technology. As we've seen, 2025 is reshaping the way we think about ceilings. They're no longer passive surfaces, but active contributors to style, mood, and function. From bold architectural forms and layered lighting, to warm natural materials and integrated smart systems, the ceiling has become one of the most exciting design frontiers in modern interiors. So the next time you look up, don't just see a blank surface, see the potential to redefine your space. If you enjoyed this breakdown of 2025 ceiling design trends, don't forget to subscribe to Charette Theory for more deep dives into the future of interior design.